Good morning to all the dignitaries on the dais and delegates attending one-day National Conference on Plants and Environment, and I deem it as a privilege to put forth few lines regarding conduct of this conference by our department, that is Department of Botany, Telangana University, in collaboration with Council for Green Revolution, Hyderabad. All of us are aware of this fact, saying that no life exists on the planet Earth without plants. And we depend on plants for many products like food, shelter, clothing, and medicine. That is elements of 5Fs: food, fodder, fiber, fuel, and fertilizers. So it is need of the hour to understand the role of plants in regulating the environment. And it is to emphasize on rational approach involving the application of scientific and technical methodology to conserve and maintain ecological balance in the ecosystem, that is homeostasis. And we need to conserve the environment not merely for preservation of biological diversity, but for sure survival. So we all depend on plant products on the earth to survive and sustain life, that is struggle for existence. And protection of environment is one of the major global issue for which we need to analyze and assess some measures to overcome the hazardous effect and ultimately the impact on climate change and globalization. Climate changes include major effects on rainfall, which in turn affect the agricultural practices and food supply. Rising temperature of world's ocean and melting of polar ice will lead to flooding and coastal erosion and may also show adverse influence on marine ecosystem. So without taking much of your time awaiting for the speakers to present their work, I would like to conclude. And keeping all these points in view, we, the Faculty of Botany Department, have designed the title of the seminar to be very simple, that is Plants and Environment. And we have invited eminent speakers from all over the nation, where they are going to present their expertise work specific to their area of research and field of practice. And hope that the deliberations will enrich the knowledge of all the participants and exclusively ignite the young minds who are into research. And ultimately, we, the Department of Botany, are in a position or able to conduct this virtual mode of webinar even during this situation of pandemics, only with the support of our Honorable Vice Chancellor Neetu Kumar Prasad Madam, IAS, and esteemed Registrar Professor Naseem Madam. And with these few words, I am over to Alim Khan sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.